Good morning. Good morning, everybody. This is Prabhakar, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Sri Kaliswari College, Sivagasi. Now we will discuss about the computer network. Basically, we know about computer network means it will be interconnected more than one computers or more than one devices. It is called the computer networks. Now today we can discuss about the data link layer sliding window protocols. Basically, sliding window protocols, sender does not wait after sending one frame. It will be a core concept of data link layer and transport layer. Whether it is used to control how much data can be sent at a time. The main goal is whether data transfer, efficient control, error control, and flow controls. It is basically compared to the stop and wait protocols. Now, the sliding window protocol, it will be sending frames one by one. It will be continuously sent to the destinations. Multiple frames continuously sent to the destination. The receiver send the acknowledgement corrected to receive the protocols, whether the frame is received or not. The overlap of sending and acknowledging increasing the throughput. Suppose the center maintaining the sending window, the receiver maintaining the receiving window. Window size define how many frames can be sent without acknowledgement. Whether each frame is assigned a sequential number as acknowledgement is arrived, the window slides forward along the new frames. This is the concept. The frame will be sent one by one to the destinations. Only main thing is we can check the acknowledgement. Now, working of sliding window protocols. Already we know that sender transmit frames up to window size. Frames are stored in the buffer until acknowledged. Now, receiver check the sequence numbers whether the correct frames are acknowledged or not. Once the frame is received at the the destination side, the receiver will be checked whether it will be received, it will be or it will be retransmitted. The important key terms of the topic is window size, sequence numbers, acknowledgement, timeout, buffer, flow controls. These are the important key terms for the sliding window protocols. Already we know that window size means the maximum number of outstanding frames. Sequence number means identify the frame order. Next, we discuss about the go back and NARQ. In this topic, sender can send the n frames at once. The receiver only accepts the frames in order. If a frame k is the last frame, then k plus 1 like k plus 2 and k plus 3 are discarded. The sender retransmitted to frame k and all following frames. It is the cumulative acknowledgements. Next protocol is the selective repeat and ARQ. Sender retransmit only the last of or corrupted frames. Receiver accept the frames out of orders. Once each frame is individual acknowledged, require large buffer memory, more complex for go back and compared to the selective repeat. It is a efficient use of the bandwidth. It is a main advantage is the bandwidth. Next advantages and disadvantages. Advantages means high throughput, efficient bandwidth, suitable for long distance communication, reduce the idle time. Disadvantage, some of the stories there, complex implementation, require more memory, sequence number handling it is difficult, buffer management is needed because these are the drawback of the these protocols, sliding window protocols. Now conclusion, sliding window protocols ensure reliable and fast data transmission. It balances speed and reliability. Both go back in and selective repeat are important topics. So going to need to be studied. So sliding window protocols, these are the protocols involved in the data link layers. So go through it. Thank you one and all.